my name is Lexus Allen,
Hi, my name is Elise Bernthal.
and this is our virtual manipulative project. Ours is the online geoboard, which is offered by the Mac Learning Center.
So I'm going to share some features of the geoboard with you today. So as you can see, there are 3 different sizes of geoboard: a square, a large rectangular one, and also a circle. You can also add grid lines and numbers to the geoboard if that's helpful for your students. So to use the geoboard, you simply drag a rubber band onto the board, and then you can move it any way that you would like. So this is really good to help students visualize square units, to visualize area and perimeter concepts. You can use different colors of rubber bands. There are 8 different colors. That way you can easily see different shapes on the same board. You can also copy shapes using this feature down here and put them wherever you would like. There's also a place where you can add equations to the geoboard, like so. You can leave them up here.
So there are some pros and cons along with this manipulative. One of the pros involves that the educator has an easy navigation for entering the site. There's either a web app that they're able to open, the Apple Store, along with the Chrome Store. These are all helpful in the sense of if there's computers or tablets available, there's different programs for each one. This helps students that have a computer or a tablet within the classroom use it, along with at home for practice or homework. Along with the web app having a variety of colors involved, it allows for creativity and expression, which can help students feel more motivated to use the manipulative. Some of the cons consist of there being a lot of links that are possibly able to be opened. Due to this, students can get sidetracked or find something else that doesn't involve what they're trying to learn. For this, they might accidentally stumble upon something else and then end up getting, sidetracked or overall not really paying attention. The site might be a bit too advanced for young learners, so the best solution would be to use the web app, since all it does is just show the geoboard itself instead of anything else.
This resource would be really great to use for distance learning, like right now, how we have to be at home and doing online lessons. This is perfect that you can still share this manipulative with your students. You can also use this for homework. So you can give your students homework that they need a geoboard, and then they can just use this at home. It's also good to use in class if you can save on buying a bunch of geoboards, because you can just buy a few geoboards and then have the rest of your students use the online geoboard. And it could also be really motivating for some students who like using online tools.
So along with the mathematical concepts that are addressed, one of them involves shape attributes, which involves identifying angles and sides on the shapes. So for example, if a student was to, say, make a triangle, they're able to do as so. And with this, they're exploring a variety of shapes, and the educator can teach vocabulary such as different triangles, squares, and rectangles, which helps children distinguish what makes up these shapes. And with having the units placed, students are able to actually learn the square units instead of basing off of the little pegs within the geoboard. So the area for this would be 2 and then 1. So 2 times 1, which would be 2, instead of counting these little ones, which would be 3 times 2. But the correct way would be to do the square units within the shape. And from this, they're able to gather more information about other shapes or expanding their own knowledge of what else they're able to do within the geoboard.
So there are a few Common Core standards that we found to match this manipulative. They go along with understanding area concepts, square units, and understanding perimeter. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.